to prove that 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. First, before we prove that this is irrational, we'll assume that 6 plus root 2 is a rational number, so that we can represent it in the form of a by b. So let us assume 6 plus root 2 is rational. Now we can find coprimes such that a and b, where b is not equal to 0, such that 6 plus root 2 equal to a by b. Now if I take 6 onto the right hand side, I would have root 2 equal to a by b minus 6. Now if I take LCM, I would have a minus 6b by b. Since a and b are coprimes, as we have assumed before, this number here on the right hand side would be a rational number. Since a, b are integers or coprimes, a minus 6b by b is rational. So that makes the LHS root 2 also is rational. But we've already seen that root 2 is an irrational number. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. 6 plus root 2 is irrational.
Take a screenshot of the solution and please subscribe for more solutions.